At BRANZ, making sure that New Zealanders are living in quality, affordable homes is at the heart of what we do. We work with the sector to raise quality standards throughout the entire building cycle to help create better homes for New Zealanders. We deliver research and testing that improves the way we build and ensures our building products and methods are safe, effective and fit for purpose. We also provide robust scientific evidence to support the development of the right standards and regulations. Our goal is to ensure New Zealand's buildings are affordable, safe, comfortable, dry, and designed to serve generations to come.
Since BRANZ's inception, we've been a major contributor to improving New Zealand's building standards. Take, for example, our work on light timber framing. Over 90% of buildings in New Zealand are built out of timber, and it has a major influence on people's lives. Recent work with light timber framing is looking to enable us to build taller buildings out of timber. Since 1978, our work has contributed to light timber framing building standards, and it's something that we continue to do today. Our scientists collaborate around the world to understand the trends that are happening so we can safeguard our buildings. As well as contributing to standards, we work with the sector to make sure they have the understanding and tools to make these changes. For example, working with both industry and government to make sure they understand the true costs and benefits of the recent H1 changes.
Post-COVID, there was a building boom in New Zealand. The industry was really stretched and it was stressed at that time in 2022. So the builders and the building consent authorities, the councils, were a bit concerned about how can we make this change and get all the education out there and get the builders and the building consent authorities up to speed with what the changes will be and how to process them. You need the data to inform the debate. And BRANZ have a role to play in terms of data as it relates to the building and construction industry. And that became the BRANZ hosted H1 Hub. And so that was a really good example of industry working closely with BRANZ on that initial phase of H1.
Through initiatives like our Warmer, Drier and Healthier Buildings program, we've created tools and resources that help the sector to make meaningful improvements to housing quality, which means better homes for all New Zealanders. As part of the program, we've recently launched a project on warm roofs, which is a different way to apply insulation into roofing that enhances energy efficiency, improves indoor comfort, and increases the durability of timber in homes. This smarter, more sustainable solution benefits both homeowners and the industry.
One of the main benefits of having a warm roof is to keep the moisture outside of the building. That's creating a more efficient thermal envelope. So in our design, we can get 50 to 70% energy savings. We believe that warm roofs should be the standard across the industry because it just provides an all-round better environment. It fits our ethos with providing high-performing homes at an affordable rate. And to us, high-performing homes means healthy homes.
At BRANZ, our work helps ensure that New Zealand's homes and buildings are built with products and systems designed to protect and stand the test of time. Through our cutting-edge research and testing, we provide an evidence base that supports the development of robust standards and regulations. This helps to drive improvements in building practices and materials. We equip the sector with resources that helps raise performance and quality standards. By prioritising quality and affordability, BRANZ is creating a future where New Zealand's buildings are safe, comfortable, dry, cost-effective, and designed to meet the needs of generations to come.